Hello everybody. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first time here. Also, if this is your first time here, I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and hit the red subscription button before we get started. Also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. If you're interested in this unit that I'm wearing, it is Bobbi Boss Yulia, and I'll leave the information card for that review right here. So today is Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! Thank you again for being here. And today I have a unit by Outre. It is a quick weave half wig cap, and her name is Druann. That's what she looks like, and I got her in the color 2T1 2730. Now, yes, it's a half wig, and you can do the whole headband thing if you like, but that's not the reason why I purchased her. I saw somebody in the group, Wig Slayers, wearing this, and she was wearing it like a full cap wig, and it was so pretty. And she got it in the I think the T21350 or the 425. It was a reddish color, but I decided to get more of a blonde color. I don't know why, I'm just feeling these blonde colors for fall, and usually I tend to go towards the reddish burgundy colors and the 350s and the 425s for fall, but this fall, I don't know why, I usually save blonde for summertime, but I'm really liking the golden brownish colors for the fall. So anyway, I got this from Sam's Beauty, and no, I got it from So Good BB, and it was $14.45 with their 15% discount that they always have, and $5 shipping. So I'm gonna cut this tag off and put Druann on, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is how Druann looks, and you can see that it's that half style that you're supposed to push back and utilize some of your own hair, but my alopecia is way too bad for me to do that. And it does have combs, I think somewhere up in here, yeah, right here at the temples, and it does have a comb in the back. I didn't think to show you all that because it was a half wig, and I've never done a half wig before. So anyway, I am going to zhuzh the curls around, and I'll be back to let you see the results. Wow, so that was easier than what I thought, you guys. You just, maneuver the curls around however you want to. Just kind of let them fall where they want to, and you're done. It's so simple, yet so cute. I think it's really, really cute. And it reminds me of that unit that I did by Human Hair for What, and her name was Dale, and I'll leave the information card for that review right here. The only difference is Dale was more of a silkier texture. This one is very yucky, and it's shorter. It's not as long as Dale was, but it is super cute. Super, super cute. And so, you know, you can take a half wig and you can make it into a full wig. So simple, and they're so inexpensive. That's what I like about it. So I wouldn't mind having this in some of those other colors, you know, that would look, you know, very nice for fall. And you can always get your number 1, 1B, or number 2. But yeah, I think I may go back and get a couple of other colors since they were only $15. So let's get us some sunnies. That's what we do here. And as always, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done it, if you haven't subscribed earlier. And please like, comment, and share. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.